Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Bubble from Fundamental Paper Education. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw the eyes. We'll start with 2 curves up and back down. And then a curve underneath each one. Now inside each eye, let's draw a curve down on the left side. And then in the right section, let's draw a star. And then underneath each eye, let's draw 3 lines down for the eyelashes. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move up and let's draw the hair. In between the eyes, let's draw 2 curves going down. Then continue it on the other side of the eye and curve it up. Then from the ends, let's draw a curve up and in. Next, let's hop back to the center and let's draw a curve on top, like this. And then 2 bumps over on the right. Now for the left, let's draw a bump over and then a small curve up. Then let's bring it out and curve it down. Now let's move down and let's draw the bottom sections of hair. Let's start underneath the eyes and let's draw 2 bumps down. Then another one going out. Then let's curve it back in. And then a larger curve back up. And then one more bump to close it off. And that's it for the hair. Now let's move on top and let's draw the rubber ducky. Let's draw a curve up on the top left. Then a curve around for the top of the head. Then let's curve it out to the right and back down. Now inside, let's draw 2 black circles for the eyes. And a sideways oval for the beak. Now on the left side, let's add the toothbrush. Let's draw a skinny rectangle up on an angle. Then another rectangle underneath at the end. And add 2 lines inside. Next, on the right side here, let's draw 2 circles. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start inside in between the hair and let's draw an upside down V shape. And then another one underneath. And angles to close off the ends. And then inside, let's draw a diamond shape. And that's it for the collar. Now let's move down and let's draw the dress. Let's start with an angle out and back in underneath on both sides. And then underneath, let's curve it down and out. And then a curve across the bottom. Next, inside the dress, let's draw 2 angled lines at the top and a curve underneath. Now let's hop down and let's draw the pocket. Let's draw a line across and a U-shaped curve underneath. And that's it for the dress. Now let's move out and add the arms. Let's start next to the collar and let's draw a line out towards the hair. And then angle it down underneath. Then hop in and let's draw the other side of the sleeves. And a curve across at the bottom. And then hop in and let's draw another curve. Next, let's add the arms. Let's start with the curve down. And then next to it, let's curve it down and bring it out. Now at the end, let's bring it down and curve it back in. Then another angle down and close off the thumb. Now on top, let's draw a line up and curve it back in. And lastly, let's add 2 curves across each wrist. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Underneath the body, let's draw 2 angles going down and out. Then hop out and let's draw a set of angles going back in. And then a curve at the bottom. Now let's hop in and let's draw a curve across near the top. And then 2 near the bottom. And that's it for the legs. Now let's move behind and draw the tail. On the right side, let's draw a bumpy line down. Another larger one. And then 2 more, bringing it back in. Now let's draw a curve to the leg and continue it up on the other side. And then 1 more bump across. And lastly, on the right side here, let's add 1 more circle. And that's it for Bubble. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!